Yo, what's up? We're gonna be doing our first long form video. We're gonna be just reviewing our e-bikes. I don't know if you could see that, but all right, let's get into it. All right, we're at the frozen pond. He's being very stupid. We're gonna start reviewing our bikes as soon as he gets off the ice. So I'm gonna start with mine. I don't really know what brand it is. But it has a pretty nice screen. Here, we'll do a top speed test. Mode 1. 20. It sets cruise control. Then you just press the brake to stop it. Now, mode 2. 30. So, the fastest I've gotten it up to while I was riding it is 31, or not 31, 28. Pretty nice suspension. It's not air suspension, sadly, though. It's just spring one, but 48 volt battery. Don't know how many. 1200 watt motor. Half twist throttle. Really sucky brakes. Disc brakes, but they absolutely suck. Yeah, I think that's it for mine. Well, I did have a rear fender, but I took it off because it sucked. So now we're gonna do his.
Alright, so I have the Concord bike. I have no clue if there's any certain model or something.
Commuter.
It has this back tray thingy. And then the display's pretty nice. It's black and white. And it goes up to about 20 with the thumb throttle. And it can go up to even higher with pedaling. It has some pretty nice brakes, some nice disc brakes, nice headlight,
A bell.
yeah, a bell, and a pretty nice squishy seat.
And a rack.
One downside of it is it has no suspension, so it's just very bumpy ride, but
Brake suspension.
there's a back fender, which is kind of annoying. And the battery is 36 volts. And thumb twist throttle. The fastest I probably got on it is probably about 21 while pedaling. So it's pretty decent for just going on the sidewalks. But I will be saving up for another one.
Alright, we're gonna go ride a little bit, and then I'll try to film it, but I don't have a camera or anything. I just have my phone, so it might be a little bit difficult, but alright, we're riding a little bit. I'm not gonna use my throttle. Yeah. Bikes are pretty nice. Oh, we're turning. Yeah. Look at this guy here trying to be nonchalant, going no hands. Freaking nerd. Don't tell him I said that. Yeah, we're probably gonna end it off right here. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey, get out of my yard!
Sorry, sir.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. I was just trying to go through that.
Okay.
Kevin over here.
Oh
Bruh.
my gosh, that was insane. I saw the door open, I was like out of there.
Hey, get out of my yard.